Hi, my name is Marcus, and welcome to my YouTube channel, where today I'm going to show you the most common problem for a check engine light on an L5P diesel. 2017, all the way up to current. Those exhaust codes, fuel codes, pull the map sensor out. I've already pulled the 10mm bolt out of it, and as you can see, I've removed all the soot right here. This plugs up this sensor. Can't read right. Skews parameters. There you go. The best way to take care of it is either to replace the sensor, or what I prefer to do, take a pocket screwdriver, knock out all the soot. Be careful not to damage the sensing probe, and use some brake clean or electrical cleaner and clean it off and dry it out with the air gut, compressed air, and reinstall it. And then run a tamper test or my function warning test or whatever. If you have a light or a surface emission system message on, and it'll go away.